So we have now the student class set here with we put only public for the ID, but the rest we keep it without anything, which is you can consider it as private at the moment. It is not public anyway, so these are not public, so it cannot be seen from other classes. So if we go now to the form here, and we see we created two objects, S1 and S2. Now if I put S1 dot, as you see here, what appear from the attributes appear only the ID because it is public. So you can select it and put any value here because it is a string, so you have to put string here, like 201400115. Okay. And you can print it if you wish or whatever. So this is the ID, and you can set another ID for the S2 dot ID, but we cannot set at the moment any of the name or the GPA. 2019 00112. Okay. Then you can print any of them, so they are accessible whether in writing or reading. If I can use the console here. I can put whatever. So let me show you the console. The console here, any print you can see it here. And so right line, and here if you want to print S1, because this belongs to S1 dot ID, so print you the S1 ID or S2 also. So if you run it now, and click on the button of the form where this code is exists, the project, the objects created here and the IDs set, then what we can see, so this is the form running here. Let me go to here and clear this output, clear all. And now if I click here, it will print to me the ID of S1. As you see here, this is the ID of S1 printed here. So this is how to do this. And here, as you see, it is only here we created the objects and we set up the ID because it is public, and we print it. But we cannot set up the other name and GPA because they are not public. So we need to deal them differently with using what's called set and get. But the public is not a good idea to put the attributes as public. Why? Because every class from outside can access it, and this is not privacy. There is no privacy for it, because if you have a balance of account, so if anybody can access the balance from outside and change it, so that is not secured. That's why we keep the attributes, most of them or all of them, as private, then access them in different way. If I put here, and okay, it's running now, let me stop it. So we stop that one. Okay, you can click here, stopped, and then we put this as private, and the private here, if we go now to the form, we will see it should be a problem here because this is unknown here. See, so we have error message here to tell about it is not